Here's Mark Amiga, and I want to show you the two very different terrains in Greece. And we're here, we're leaving Corinth. Here's the coastline, beautiful. And then here are the mountains. Okay. Mountain area. The land is very green, but the mountain area is quite brown, not very green. And it's fascinating because we came from Switzerland, where it's the complete opposite look. And here we are with the water. It's just beautiful. And we'll be visiting some small islands off of this Gulf in the next few days. Look forward to sharing that with you. And let me just show you what we're seeing from the front of the bus. Okay, and from the front of the bus you're seeing, again, the mountains. Very brown and barren. So come with us, Eva and Mark, where we take you all over, in this case, Corinth, mountains, Greece, US, and the world, to see and notice everything unique and special and different. Very, very pretty. Look at these mountains. Light brown color. There is green at the top. And we're looking at the front of the bus, which you can appreciate everything you see. And the ceramic coastline. Our motto is Live Well, Travel Well. Call us and we'll create a wonderful trip. Just I was going to show you. As you can see that. Fascinating pine trees. Very cool. I'm not used to seeing these where we live, so I'll have to find out what they are and get back to you in a later video. Very, very pretty. Look at the rock formations coming out right over here. Really neat. Okay. Wonderful to, we're going into a tunnel. Oh, but it's going to be quick. So we'll take you through the tunnel and we'll see what comes, what we see on the other side. It's a short one. Always fun. Put the first view outside the tunnel. Looks like, oh yeah, that's cool. You see where the mountains, except for the bus that's in the way. Let's see if I can get a better shot. Right past this bus, and we're going to be hitting another tunnel in a second. So that's not great. All right, we'll see you soon.